In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find uncleared checks in QuickBooks Online. If you're reconciling your bank account or keeping an eye on outstanding payments, identifying which checks haven't cleared yet is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Start by heading to the Reports area. On the left-hand panel, select Reports to open the Reporting Center. From there, move to the Standard tab. This tab organizes the most commonly used reports, so you can quickly find what you need without digging through every category. Next, use the search bar within the Reports page to locate the specific report. Type Check Detail and open that report. The Check Detail report lists individual checks along with key information like the payee, date, amount, the bank account they were issued from, and a column that shows whether each check is cleared or not. This is the foundation for narrowing down to only uncleared items. If you don't see any checks when the report loads, adjust the report period. The report respects the date range at the top, so if your checks were written outside the current range, they won't appear. Change the period to all dates, or select a specific time frame that matches when the checks were issued. After updating the period, the report will refresh and display all checks that meet your date criteria. With the full list visible, focus on the filter options so you can isolate only the uncleared checks. Open the report's filters and locate the option for cleared. Set this to equals uncleared. This tells QuickBooks to show only checks that haven't cleared your bank yet. Once you apply that filter, the report will refresh again and display only the uncleared checks, giving you a clean, focused list to review. At this point, you should see just the checks that are still outstanding. Look over the dates, amounts, and payees to confirm everything aligns with your expectations. The cleared column will indicate their status, and the report totals can help you understand the impact on your cash balance. If anything looks off, double-check that your report period covers the time frame you need and that the correct bank account is included. That's all it takes. By using the Reports menu, opening the Check Detail report, adjusting the report period if needed, and filtering the cleared status to uncleared, you'll have a precise list of outstanding checks ready for your reconciliation or review. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you work through your own QuickBooks file.